Okay, so we are going to repair a bed stand, the boxless, like the box spring free bed stand, I guess. If you have one of these, and like me, I sold my welder. If you don't have a welder, I'm going to try and fix this without a welder. So what happens is these little joints right here come apart. These little areas like here, see that came off. That one broke completely off right here. That's just all not cool. So what we're going to try to do is we're going to reinforce all these little areas that it came apart. I think this one's loose too. And that one fell apart too. So first we're going to go to get some hardware. Okay, so the hardware you're going to use is, I've decided to use these mending plates, these L mending plates. If you go to Lowe's or Home Depot, that's the size you want to get. That's the part number. These are the Lowe's part numbers. So if you want to use these, you can use these. These are what I will be using for the project, and you will need a drill. I'm doing this in my apartment, so if you have tarp, I don't have tarp, so I have cardboard. I've put the cardboard down, and we're going to work on the first joint here. So you got to try to line this up. I'm going to try to line it up the best I can. Try to set an area like right there. And then what we're going to do is, while that's lined up there, most people would measure. I'm not going to measure. We're just going to eyeball it and see what happens. So we're going to line this up here. Try to get it as straight as humanly possible. So we want to line it up like this so we can make our marks, but I don't think I'm going to be able to like hold that there at the same time, so I'm going to try something, see if it works. Okay, so I'm trying to hold these two pieces together, and I'm going to use like rare earth magnets. If you have any of these lying around, or you don't, like, you can actually go inside of like a hard drive, if you have one, rip them off, or if you just have magnets around, or an angle magnet for welding, that'll kind of help. But I'm going to put one back here to hold the two pieces together, and we'll stick one at the bottom right there, and that should hold those together for me to do this. So I'll put this here, I'll measure a circle. I don't know if I want to do the inside or the outside. I think I'll do the outsides. There. And there. Alright. So now, all you got to do is, I hope I can drill straight to go straight through, because the way I decided to do this, I'm going to use two of these on each side. I don't know, I feel more comfortable that way. You can try one, but I'm a heavy guy, so I'm going to try two. And we're going to hope that those two hold together where they're supposed to. So let me get my drill and we're going to start. Alright, so we drill the holes through. Focus. Alright. Drill the hole through there. We'll drill the hole through there. Now we hope is they're straight enough to line up in there. Now we're going to see how well eyeballing worked for us. So, put one in here. One in here. Let's try the other side, see if these line up at all. Hey, look, the eyeballing wasn't too bad. Eyeballing didn't go too bad, so it's kind of a patch job here. So we've got that side, and it went through on that side. Oh, so we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna bolt this one down, and then we're gonna repeat for the remainder of the broken ones. Okay, one of the things I forgot to tell you guys is the drill bit I was using was a 5/32 to drill the holes. Should be small enough to support the screws, and I don't feel like going to get my socket, so what I've decided to do is just use an adjustable wrench and screwdriver, which I think should be enough to hold it. So set it where you want it. This is really cheap metal, so I don't think I can over tighten it too much because I think I'll crush it. But and also, if you want to, you can cut these edges off, but unless you're putting something valuable under the bed, which I just have tubs under there, so I'm just going to leave them out. And that looks pretty sturdy. That feels really, really sturdy. Yeah, that works. Alright, so I guess I'm going to do the rest of them, and we'll see how that goes. Yeah, in that last clip, I'm just putting feet, because I guess I lost the plastic feet that were on here, so I'm just taking duct tape, doubling it up and taping it across there to act as feet. I mean, it's in carpet, but still, I don't want to put holes in the carpet. There we go. I have successfully put them together. If you want to do this, you can definitely do it. I used those part numbers that I put in the beginning of the video. 5/32 drill bit to drill my holes, and the second way I would suggest do it, since it was my first time doing this and I didn't think the project through. It's just kind of a thing on an off day to do. Probably drill your holes first. That does make it faster because you don't have to do one at a time and get them all done. So I guess that is all. So peace out, people, and good luck to you.